very festive kami. In fact, sa party list, according to the surveys, top ang Makabayan Coalition. So we're very happy with the results. Teddy is doing well sa media, and his campaign is doing well. So this is a strike for genuine participation, not only in the party list but also in the Senate. So we're going to give our utmost para makuha yung genuine representation pwede kasi in the Senate and through the Progressive Party list dun sa lower house. Pwede kasi nyo is lagging behind sa surveys, is doing well, but hindi siya pumapasok sa top 12, no? Tingin namin, there are two things that the surveys cannot capture, no? One, baluarte. Ang Makabayan Coalition, may mga baluarte kami sa Pilipinas na hindi pwede i-capture ng survey. At secondly, itong last 10 days, house to house, intensive house to house, the full force of the Makabayan Coalition will go and meet the people. That those two factors will hopefully swing it for Teddy in these elections.